So today me and Aurora are about to go explore. We only have about 2.5-ish more months in Okinawa and we do not want to waste it. So we're about to go try out a restaurant that I've been wanting to try for a while and I'm so excited. It's called Arashi's and it's like they have ramen and fried rice and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go for a drive. That's all. Arashi's was Arashi's was interesting in the sense of like it was good, but like thanks. Can I thank you? You are amazing. Oh crap. Okay, cool. So Arashi's was good in the sense of like they had really good ramen. I ordered a spicy ramen and I am so sorry for like the weird camera angles. I'm not really used to filming, I guess, new to this whole vlog life. But it was good. My ramen wasn't as spicy as I wanted it to be. It was like a volcano type of spicy, but it wasn't very spicy. But I think it's because they give you like the chili paste on the table and you put how much you want to focus and you put how much you want in there. But my daughter ended up wanting some of my noodles, so I had like gave her some and then I put the chili paste in there. But I mean, she wanted more noodles, so I ended up sharing with her, so I didn't want to make it too spicy. But I mean, it wasn't bad. It was like 760 yen, and her food, which I ended up eating most of. Focus! Her food was I got her some gyoza and some just some steamed rice because I made gyoza at home and she like tore it up. Like, it was so good to her, but she didn't really like that one, so maybe I'm just the bomb, I don't know. But we're gonna go pay rent, I guess, and just explore, see what's out there, see what's around. right quick. My housing office is actually closed. And I don't have to pay rent until the 10th. Still gonna try to get it done. But I found a watch repair place, so I think I'm gonna bring my husband's watch up here to get it, like, get the chains removed, because my husband's skinny. He's skinny. So I want to get some of the chains removed so it fits better around his wrist and he can be all zaddy-ish wearing his watch. So I think that's what I might do. And I'm gonna try to just bring you guys along and see what's poppin', what's good. It's hot out. It's January 3rd. No, it's January 4th. Actually, I need to go pay my, what bill is it? My electric bill? Drive. Let's just talk about New Year's resolutions for a second, since, you know, we're at a red light and I just brought up New Year's. My New Year's resolutions for the year are to not be so offended. Like, I get offended so easily. Let me tell y'all, I get offended so easily, and it seriously should not be like that at all. Like, it should not be like that. And I know people come from like a very, you know, I know the people that I get offended by come from a very loving place when they tell me things. But do y'all ever notice how you feel like, you just feel like, oh, they're my friends, they shouldn't have anything negative to say, but they should, you know, they should tell you if you're out of place. Your friends should be able to tell you if you're wrong. And that's something that I'm working on accepting, that I'm working on like trying to be more about, because sometimes I'm scared to tell my friends when they're in the wrong because I get offended. So I'm like, well, I don't want to offend them, but I'm trying not to be like that, just because I feel like friendship is about, like, a friendship should be the same way that a relationship is. You guys should encourage each other, help each other, lift each other up, build each other. You know, you may have disagreements every now and then, but it's a lot of work to have healthy, you know, ongoing friendships. And my New Year's resolutions for the year are to not be so offended. Like, I get offended so easily. Let me tell y'all, I get offended so easily, and it seriously should not be like that at all. Like, it should not be like that. And I know people come from like a very, you know, I know the people that I get offended by come from a very loving place when they tell me things. But do y'all ever notice how you feel like, you just feel like, oh, they're my friends, they shouldn't have anything negative to say, but they should, you know, they should tell you if you're out of place. Your friends should be able to tell you if you're wrong. And that's something that I'm working on accepting, that I'm working on like trying to be more about, because sometimes I'm scared to tell my friends when they're in the wrong because I get offended. So I'm like, well, I don't want to offend them, but I'm trying not to be like that, just because I feel like friendship is about, like, a friendship should be the same way that a relationship is. You guys should encourage each other, help each other, lift each other up, build each other. You know, you may have disagreements every now and then, but it's a lot of work to have healthy, you know, ongoing friendships. And I get offended a lot, but it's something that I've been working on, and I've gotten a lot better. I think I can confidently say, you know, like, I've gotten better, and I don't offended, instead of being like, oh, you know, this person, they just hate me, or whatever feeling I'm feeling at the moment. I tend to just take a step back, and I just say, like, I know this person is coming from love. Let me just get my attitude together, and I move on about it. You know, I'm on the way home. Oh, another New Year's resolution, working out. I have gone to the gym almost every single day. almost every single day. I didn't go last night because, okay, so my husband has PT, and if he goes to PT, it's like 5 in the morning. Usually, if he doesn't have PT, I go to the gym at 4 in the morning or 4:30 in the morning because, you know, somebody has to stay at the house with my daughter. So if he has PT in the morning, I usually go to the gym at night. But I couldn't go to the gym at night because I was babysitting for a family from 6:30, and I didn't get done till like 10, which I could have gone to the gym, but I was so exhausted. And I know, excuses, and I didn't get up and go this morning, but I felt so energized this morning. I felt so well rested, and I'm so excited to go to the gym this evening because I don't have any babysitting to do. I don't have any editing to do for photography. I am just, you know, completely free to hang out with my family, chill, clean, cook dinner, go to the gym, come home, take a hot shower, relax, you know, just I'm so excited. And tomorrow is down by the bay where the watermelons grow, back to my home I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say to do. Super duper excited. I feel so well rested and just so happy today. So yeah, welcome to the vlog. I guess I should have said that in the beginning. I guess I'm gonna try to do daily vlogs of my life just because I'm bored. Honestly, and I'm trying to do things that oh, y'all bold. Y'all real bold. I'm trying to do things that are like more towards like self-character advancement and stuff like that. So when I wrote down my New Year's resolutions, well, I typed them on my laptop. I wrote 3 lists. I wrote career goals. I wrote goals for like character development, and I wrote personal goals for like, you know, what I want to do that makes me happy, you know. And the character goals are stuff that is just like, what are you doing that is making you a terrible person, you know? That's like, what toxic trait can you focus on getting rid of this year? So that's what I did. I wrote my 3 lists, and I look at them so often. I know, baby, we're almost home, but I look at them and I'm so excited to you know, I'm so excited to see like where the year takes me with them. So yeah, dude, we're almost home, about 2 minutes away, so we'll see you guys when we get upstairs. Okay, so it is the next morning. I am absolutely super tired. Didn't get to go to the gym yesterday, but I cooked dinner and I ended up babysitting till like 11 o'clock. So we're gonna go and edit this vlog so we can upload it, and my next vlog will probably be in a couple of days, taking my daughter to Fruitland. So